Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So we are back with a new yarn review. This is another indie dyed yarn. I'm so excited about this one. So this is by the yarn company Aquarius make. So I've already taken it out of the shipping thing because it had my address all over it. But look at how pretty this is. I'm gonna take it out of the actual plastic. I haven't got to even squish it yet. So hang on one second, it might get a little loud. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is so pretty. But yeah, this is Aquarius make. So this is called Speckled Wish. And this is a DK because you know me, I buy DK weight yarn. But this is stunning. It's got these beautiful little yellow flecks in it. Oh my gosh. Let's see what else we got. She sent a couple things in here. So we've got this little bag. It's got a eucalyptus wool wash. It looks like a tea. Let's see. Little wool wash. Oh my gosh, look at this stitch marker. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty. Oh, this little wooden tag. Look at how cute that is. And then yeah, there's this tea. It's a turmeric tea, which makes me excited. I love tea. So if you guys ever want to send tea, I'm your girl. Little note, and she sends a little care card. So that's really cute. I'm excited about this one. So I'm going to cake this up and then we are going to crochet with it and see how it looks. I'm so excited. Hi friends, don't forget, when you click the link below and subscribe today to join Happily Hooked magazine, not only are you getting access to the coolest crochet community on the internet, you're also getting this amazing project bag that I use every single day and these ergonomic hooks. So click the link below, subscribe today, and I cannot wait to see you in the community. Okay, I was just getting ready to cake this, but then I wanted to show you guys how pretty this yarn is. Before I even caked it up, I was just like, okay, hang on a second. Try not to tangle it because then it's gonna make it a pain to cake. But look at how beautiful this is. These yellows and these peachy colors and the purple speckles. Ugh, I'm swooning. And there's some hot pinks. I just can't. Okay, I'm gonna go cake this really quick, but I had to show you how pretty this was. Hang on a second. All right, so we've got this gorgeous skein of yarn. I'm gonna turn down the lights just a smidgen so I can might be able to adjust this color a little bit. I don't know if it'll work. Hang on. Okay, you can kind of see it a little bit better now. These colors are stunning. So a couple notes as I was caking this. The dyer is magic because they had 4 different tie-offs on this yarn. So when I was caking it, it was not tangled at all. Even after I had manipulated it here on the table, it did not get twisted up. I'm so thankful for that. Also, I wanted to show you a little bit better how pretty this is. It's so gorgeous. I love this stitch marker. I normally don't use fancy stitch markers, but that one's beauty. So we're gonna swatch this up. Like I said, this is a DK. So as always, I'm using my 5mm hook because that's what I do. And we'll see. I guarantee this is gonna be stunning. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop or else I'm just gonna keep going because this yarn is so cool. It like just keeps changing and I can't stop. So this is gorgeous. It's so light. Like the dark spots are super dark and the light spots are super light, but like there's little peaches and purples and oh, I can't. And it's smooth. Like it is smooth on your hook. That's incredible. I love this yarn. I'm so glad that we reviewed this in the magazine this month. I love it. So if you have an indie dyer that you want us to review, that you want us to put in the magazine, if you are an indie dyer, reach out to us. I would be super excited to pass your information over to Courtney. And that way we can try and get you in. This would be so much fun. I love this. I love this yarn. I have no idea what I'm going to make with it, but now I don't want to put it away because I just want to see what it looks like as I keep going. It's like a Where's Waldo, but what's my yarn going to look like? But yeah, so if you have any questions, just leave those in the comments below. And if not, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!